planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. So I am going to be doing a bonus Plan With Me video this week. I typically upload my planner videos on Wednesday, so if you're just now seeing this video for the very first time, if you're just being introduced to my channel through a suggestion on YouTube or something like that, then note that I usually do my planner videos on Monday. And note that this does not represent what my planner layouts are usually typically look like. So if you're seeing this video and you're like, what is this? Why? You will please watch another one of my mini Happy Planner videos if you are interested in seeing what I typically do. I will give you just a sneak peek of kind of what I've done in this planner. I'm a kind of over-the-top decorator planner person, so I love doing really fun layouts and using a lot of stickers and all this good stuff. So yeah, so that's just typically what my planner layouts look like. So if you are just finding me for the first time, I will make sure I leave my planner playlist down below. So for those of you who are been following my channel and know me and have been watching my videos, first of all, thank you. I love all your comments. I think you guys are such a sweet community. If you have followed my planner videos, you will probably have seen the video that I loaded for my 2018 flip through. In that planner video, I did tell you that there was a couple of planner layouts that I skipped. Last year was just not a really great year for me for planners. There was a lot of weeks in there that I just wasn't feeling up to it, and it just wasn't motivating me, and I just wasn't feeling creative. But this year, so far, I've done really good, and literally the only week that I did not do was this week. So the week of, what is this, April 8th through the 14th is the only week in my planner video or planner that has not been completed. So I did my bee themed before that, and then my Easter theme the week after, but the in between I did not do. So just going to show you real quick what I've been doing for my monthly to kind of help understand why I'm going back and doing this planner layout. So this is what my monthly spreads have looked like. So for the last 4 months, and I kind of think I explained this in some video. I explained it. I don't know which video. I think it was like what I'm going to do for my planner or something like that. I can't remember. It was like one of my first videos I loaded in 2019. But I did state in there I was going to take pictures and put them on my planner for the month. And so I have. So this is March and April, and I also did January and February. So been having a lot of fun with this. Pretty much have taken a photo every day. There is my little cat picture here. Basically means that I didn't take a picture that day. So I'm just adding a picture to my cat. And I think I actually have one in March that I did that with. So yeah, March has one of those, and it's the same photo. But anyway, the week that I'm going to be documenting today is this week right here. So if you would see, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it from way up there, but basically I went to the Minute Clinic on Sunday. I watched The Last Ship. I basically just binge watched The Last Ship. This I'll talk about in a second. And then I was sick, and then I went to the urgent care. And then I watched OA, the Netflix show, on that day. So yeah, I was basically sick this entire week, except for one day. Well, I was actually sick on this day, but I went ahead and took care of this. I actually went and sold my car, my old car, at CarMax. So I wanted, basically the main reason that I'm doing this is, first of all, I don't want to have a blank space in my planner, so I want to do this. And then I also want to document that I sold my car on this day. So I thought that I would go ahead and just do kind of a really basic planner layout. And just in case if you're interested, I will also show you, just in case you're interested, I'll show you that this is the photo printer that I'm using. It's the Kodak Photo Mini printer, and this is the one that I use. This is actually my second one that I purchased. I purchased one over a year ago. Yeah, it's like a year and a half ago, and I've printed so many pictures off of that. I literally just blew the little motor out. But I really recommend this printer. I think it's, for what it is, it's a good quality. I mean, obviously it's not the best quality. It's not like, you know, high res quality. But it is, you know, for what I'm using it for, it's perfect. But I do not recommend this printer. So I'll go ahead and insert a picture. So this is actually the newest, the latest, greatest model. This one right here is the newest and latest, greatest model. But this one is kind of their older one. I don't recommend the newer one. I did end up purchasing that when I had to replace the one that I had bought for this one before. And so I thought, oh, it's the newer model. I'll go ahead and pick that one up. No, it's horrible. The photos were horrible. Like this, I printed, when I got it, I printed this photo right here. And it's like, it's a popcorn and it's game night and I'm playing a game. You couldn't even tell that this was popcorn. Like in the photo, you cannot tell. It just looks like a big white blob. It's like nothing. There's no dimension at all in that picture. So, yeah, I had to take that one back. And then I went ahead and purchased this one because I knew that this one was a good one. So I digress. It's, just in case somebody wanted to know that. So we are going to be working on this planner layout. It is going to be, again, from 8th through the 14th. And what I decided to do was kind of document that it was sick week. So I'm going to use these poster stickers to document that by just putting that somewhere on here. Not exactly sure how I'm going to do that yet, but we'll figure that out. And then again, Tuesday, I sold my car. I had that car for 12 years. So, yeah, I want to document that. So I am going to use the sticker book as well. This is a Mambi sticker book. It's one of the planner sticker books. And basically it's just, it's called journaling, and it's kind of like I think it's supposed to be for like bullet journaling and things like that. So it's really basic, just white and black kind of lined things. So I really don't think I'm going to be doing too much in this planner layout in regards to like having a bunch of stuff on here, but I do want to just document some of the things that I did. So this video is basically just going to be sticker time. For the rest of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and do my sticker time like I normally do. And I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you at the end of sticker time. So let's start sticker time. So I think it turned out kind of cute, actually. I'm kind of happy with it. So yeah, I think it is what it is, and documents the week that I had. And yeah, so I am gonna just add in a few things here and there, and then go ahead and put this in my planner. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in, oh, I wanted to add one more sticker. This book is really cute. I really like it. Let's see, I was gonna put, put a little money sign in the corner here. Okay. Okay, so I went to the Minute Clinic. I binged watched Last Ship. Oh, I went to the Minute Clinic on Sunday. Dork. I didn't go on this day. What did I write on here? I went on Sunday. I'll just put this over here. Don't really know what to write in this box, but I will think of something or put some kind of quote or something in there. All right, so at least I've got something in it, and I feel like it's not just a blank piece of paper. I think it kind of looks cute, actually. So, yep. So that was my sick week spread. I know that this is not what my typical layouts look like, but you know, sometimes you gotta just put something on the page, and I think that it represents the week and how I felt. And when I flip back through, I'll remember now that I sold my car on that day and that I didn't feel good. So that is all that I've got for you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.